What's up, mini truckers? Ben here, Houston Mini Trucks. I've got the customer sent me some parts here to look at or use. Let's see what's in there. You get the first sneak peek and reaction that I'm getting. So this is a non-AC carb. This one must be his original one. Okay. So outside it looks okay. We can test those solenoids. That's the fuel line in, the vacuum lines. Okay. Take a look at the yeah. Almost got some more of the vacuum pieces. So this is one for AC. You can see right there your AC line connects and then it moves that diaphragm. You can see it doesn't take much. And I've seen some of these have this piece and some of them don't. So I'm going to try to see if I can hunt down where that line goes and maybe it'll help run it better. But it's actually a one piece attached to the throttle body mount, which is interesting. Alright, we'll be back. Thanks. Alright, we're staying with you. Trying to get this bowl off. We'll see what it looks like. Not good. The seal in there, that's not good at all. And he was claiming the piece was overflowing. I'm not sure why that's like that. Alright, we'll be back. So I put fuel in there. We're going to test this float. So what we're going to do is to remove these two and we'll clean them and take a look at what those jets look like. This one is sticking and it's pretty grimy. That's the problem. That needle valve is stuck, so even with a screwdriver I'm pushing on it and I just can't get it to do anything. Well, I was able to push it in. It's supposed to be spring loaded and be able to pop back up, but nothing's happening. So we could probably put it in some sort of solvent and I'll let it sit for a little while, see if anything happens. Alright, mini truckers, that solved the problem. We were able to swap the parts from one carburetor to the other. We got that needle valve. Essentially what that's supposed to do is stop the flow of fuel. So as that float fills up, it's on a lever and then it pushes and stops the flow of fuel, and then as the fuel is consumed, you know, it'll open a little bit and allow more fuel in, and it stops it, and it's happening, you know, so many times and so fast. If you're stuck, it's just going to keep, you know, throwing fuel out, and eventually it's going to overflow the float. They do have some kind of fuel dumps and stuff, but you're gonna run really rich and be flooded all the time. So that's what that you can fix. The other thing I didn't show is to remove the float, you just push that little pin out from the side with like a small little pin or a screwdriver or something. Okay, hopefully this helps. Have a good one.